Now we come across another question in HSLC 2015 of SEBA board. Sorry, in the earlier video I forgot to mention SEBA, Secondary Education Board of Assam. When you come across a question like this, it says that if the following equation has two equal roots, then find the value of k. And what is the equation? The equation is 2x squared plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. We would need to find what is the value of k, and the clue is that the equation has two equal roots. We need to find the value of k. The hint is the equal roots. Now we would need to have pre-existing knowledge. You need to know beforehand that when you have the discriminant is b squared minus 4ac. All right. If it has equal roots, then it should be b squared minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Then you will get two equal roots. That is the clue. But what is the discriminant in a quadratic equation? Now, before we go to that part, if your discriminant b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then it would mean that the roots will be two distinct real roots. Means two roots, but they are of different values. And the third nature is that if the discriminant b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, that means 0 is greater, it means that the number that comes out here will be a negative number. So if it is a negative number, then the equation will have no roots at all. But we are focusing on equal roots where the discriminant is equal to 0. How do you tackle this? Let's see. The given equation, I'm writing so that you'll understand. The given equation is of the form, you need not do all this stuff, but then you need to know why is it like this, is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It is of that form because it is a quadratic equation. Here, a is equal to 2, which is the coefficient of x squared. B is equal to k. C, which is the constant, is equal to 3. So here you take it from the question, if the equation has two equal roots, comma, then discriminant d should be equal to 0. Discriminant d should be equal to 0, which means that b squared minus 4ac should be equal to 0, which further implies that your b squared is your k squared minus 4 into a is your 2 and your c is your 3 should be equal to 0. K squared minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24 should be equal to 0. which implies that k squared should be equal to 0 minus or plus 24. K squared, k squared, okay, let's continue. K squared is equal to 24. K would then be equal to plus minus the square root of 24, which can be further written as k is equal to plus minus 8 3 6 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 4 6 are 24. So when you search that way, you will find that you can take out 4, the square root of 4 as 2, all right, and you have 6 inside. So the value of k is either 2 root 6 or minus 2 root 6. That is your answer.